Nobody wants to end up in a police cell or a criminal court, but whether you're guilty or innocent, you can be caught up in something, you can be approached and spoken to by the police, you can even be arrested. If you are arrested, you have a right to remain silent. Other than giving your name and address, you don't have to answer questions. What you don't have is the right to a phone call from the police office. That's an American thing. What you do have is a right for the police to phone a duty solicitor or your own solicitor to have them come along and advise you in the police office or the police cell as to your rights, and to be there if you're questioned under caution. If the matter proceeds to being charged by the Procurator Fiscal and you have to go to court, then in any case you can plead guilty or not guilty. If you plead guilty and actually have done the crime or the offence, then the fact that you've admitted your guilt at an early stage will usually make it less of a sentence or a fine or a disposal than if you go all the way through trial and are found guilty after clearly trying to put up a defence that is not sustainable. But if you're not guilty, then you're entitled to plead not guilty and go to trial and have the Crown, the prosecution, prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. And if they can't do that, or indeed if the magistrate or sheriff believes what you say, that you didn't do it, then you'll be found not guilty. Legal aid is available if you are financially eligible for it, and that will cover all the defence for your case. Otherwise, if you don't qualify, then private fees must be paid, even if you're found not guilty. So it's the kind of thing where if you are even spoken to by police, you really ought to take legal advice at the earliest possible stage, because it could make all the difference between doing the right thing and the wrong thing, being found guilty and found not guilty.